training college, whereby as I was walking around the school, I realized there is lack of shade in the school. And the causes are lack of enough trees in the school. And the second one is the cutting down of trees, which one is the deforestation. And the effects are causes drought due to lack of enough trees, because where the trees are not grown, there is lack of rain. And the second one is it leads to health risks during drought season, since there is a lot of dust. You find out that the students become sick because there is a lot of sun and a lot of hotness when they are reading. And the solution is the planting of trees ensures that there is enough shade for learners to read. And the second one is using shade cloth. Shade cloth is a light porous fabric that can drop over structures. And the third one is raising awareness. Raising awareness is about the importance of shade and promoting inclusion in outdoors. Thank you.
I'm Kanasa Naiguran from Naiguran Teachers Training College, DPT, Year 1, 2024. And I've worked around the college and within the community around the college, and I realized that there is a problem of soil erosion. And I discovered that there are some of the causes of soil erosion in the college are the deforestation, whereby when trees are cut, the soil become more loose and leading to soil erosion. Another one is that use of poor irrigation practices, like use of surface irrigation, whereby it can cause water runoff leading to soil erosion. And lastly, use of heavy machineries like use of tractors which remove the topsoil leading to soil erosion. And going to the effect of the soil erosion in the college, one of the causes of the effect of the soil erosion is that it has led to loss of fertile topsoil. Another one is decreased biodiversity, whereby soil erosion has destroyed the habitat of living organisms and the microorganisms. And lastly is that microbial activities in soil are reduced that are essential for nutrient cycling. And having looked on the causes and effect of the soil erosion in the college, I've come up with a solution of solving the problem of soil erosion is by planting trees that will help the college to curb with the problem of soil erosion. Thank you. Okay, my name is Ateno Sheila Omondi from Go Teachers Training College. When I was walking around the school compound, I discovered that there is environmental pollution in terms of poor waste management. Poor waste management has so many causes in our school. One is overpopulation. We find that in our school there are so many students, hence leading to poor waste management. The second causes of poor waste management is overconsumption, where after the students have eaten their food, they just deposit them in a certain place, hence causing the environment to be untidy. Some of the effects of poor waste management in our school is health risk, where the poor waste management always pollutes the air, which can lead to the disease in both the student and the teachers. Having this problem in our school, I've come up with the solution of rearing of pigs, where the pigs will help in the waste reduction, since they will feed in the waste. The second solution that the pigs will help in this poor waste management is that the pigs manure can also be used in the farm, which will help in increasing the agricultural productivity in the school. Thank you.
I'm Nyaranga Lilian from Migori TTC. As I was walking around the college and the community at large, I realized that there was a land that was left uncultivated, and I had an idea of making that land in use by planting maize crops in it. So some of the causes for why that land was left uncultivated is there is soil infertility, where there is the top part of the soil was swept away by erosion. The other one is soil degradation, whereby that land has become degraded due to erosion, erosion. That's why that land was left uncultivated. The other one is climate change, and there's also water scarcity. And then the effects of that land being uncultivated is there is pest and habitat,
Uncultivated land has become a hive of pests, including insects and rodents. Then loss of agricultural productivity. Living land uncultivated means it's not being used for agricultural production. Then food security issues. Uncultivated land has contributed to food insecurity, making colleges and the community to 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 rely on the imported food from outside. Then some of the solutions are water management through irrigation schemes. Then we have got soil restoration, implementing practices such as crop rotation and minimum tillage can let that land to be more productive. Thank you.
Answer 1, 2, 3, answer.
Endelea.
Okay, I'm Lucas Wanyama Bura from Naiguran Teachers College. As I was walking around, I discovered that there's a lot of unwanted weeds in the college compound and in the college garden. So I came up with some causes which may lead this problem to occur. First of all is lack of weeding in the school garden, blown seeds, not disturbed soil. Then effect of this unwanted weeding in the school garden is habitat for pests, where it will attract insects which damages the desired plants. Another one is hinders planting and maintenance, where will hinder planting of new plants, competition for resources, e.g. sunlight and nutrients and even water. Then solution for this problem is by rearing rabbits which will graze on weeds, then introducing of natural predators like all to manage that problem of weeding in the school garden. Then another one, soil aeration. As rabbit digs and move around, disturb the soil, making it difficult for some types of weeds to grow to higher levels. Thank you.
Okay, as for me, I was supporting my project of pig rearing because the pigs will help us. The pigs have so many advantages which will help us in our school. For example, the pigs will be used as a source of learning which will help the student and both the teachers. Yes.
What about if we go for a long holiday? Who will take care of that piece?
Okay, what I think that, although I'm not sure about that, the pigs can be taken care of by the workers around the school.
Me, I'm supporting my project of maize planting because it will help the school not to rely on the food imported from outside. So it will reduce that cost of buying those food for school. Yes.
Who will be plowing the maize?
We'll plow the plants before we go for holidays. Me, I'm supporting my project of planting trees because it will help the college to curb the problem of soil erosion. No soil erosion will be taking place in the college.
The trees will be young, so how can it prevent the soil erosion?
For me, I'm supporting that we can rear rabbits so that this excess unwanted weeds will be avoided.
Okay, I have a question. You say that we are supposed to rear a rabbit. Who will be feeding the rabbit when we are home at holiday?
We can hire some of the people, some of the workers in the college who will look about.
The workers will also be at holiday, so I think that your project it's not working out.
I think we shall move to the crop because the maize, we shall plow them before we went back to home. And we usually go home for a short term. So I think maize is a good project.
Yeah. Okay. As for me, I'm also supporting the idea of planting of maize because obviously maize can even grow when you are at home, but for the animals, nobody will take care of them when you are at home. So I'm supporting the project of planting of maize.
Or we are agreeing that you are going to take the project of maize?
Yes.
Thank you.